guys, welcome to my How to Cook series, and this is How to Cut an Onion. Here is what you'll need: a large cutting board, a very sharp knife, and most importantly, an onion. First off, we need to find the top of the onion. We'll cut this part off because we don't need it. Next, we need to find the bottom of the onion, or the root. We'll keep this root attached to the onion to help to keep it together as we continue to make cuts. After cutting the onion in half, remove the skin of the onion. Sometimes this happens pretty easily, other times not so easily, so it may be helpful to remove the outer layer of the onion. Usually that layer is pretty tough anyway, and it's easier just to remove it before you have to start cooking. Now lay your onion down flat on your cutting board, place your palm on top of the onion, and gently push down as you run your knife horizontally through the onion. But you don't want to cut all the way through to the root. This will help to keep the onion intact as we continue to make cuts. Now using the tip of your knife, cut from the root of the onion through to the open side, like you're creating slices through the onion, and continue to do this all the way through the onion. Now, keep your fingers tucked underneath your knuckles so you don't cut your fingers off, and use your knife at an angle perpendicular to your body to create slices of onion. If you make sure that your slices are really close together, you'll end up with little tiny pieces of onion. And keep doing this until you get close to the root of the onion. There you have it, that's the root, just throw it away. And here are your beautifully diced onion pieces, perfect to use in any of your favorite recipes. For more healthy and delicious recipes, head over to nourishwithrenata.com, subscribe, or click on the next video.